Good afternoon, folks. Hope you're fine. We are going into a new week starting 27th of April to 2nd of May 2025. Let's see what trading opportunities we have on the fundamentals and technicals. Fundamentally, if you see the market, Monday, we are having no major economic event and we'll be having a Freedom Day in South Africa, and on Tuesday we'll be having JOLTS, job openings, and CB, consumer confidence. Then on Wednesday we'll be having ADP. This may bring volatility. Volatility means risk, risk means opportunity. And then we have GDP, then we have core PCE price index. And then on Thursday, market will be closed in Germany, Switzerland, Italy because of the 1st of May, Labor Day, and then we'll be having initial jobless claims in the US, S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, and then we have ISM Manufacturing PMI. And then on Friday, we'll be having a big day because of the NFP. 2nd of May 2025 will be having NFP. This will definitely brings volatility, and volatility means opportunity. So you need to be very careful on Friday. On the candlestick patterns, this is the game plan. Previously, the last week, market made a rejection at 3370. We shorted the market for 3260, and this was the area on Friday where we got a bounce 3260, and the market made a bullish close. But we need to keep one thing in our mind over here, that is 3290. On Monday, if the market manages to hold above 3290 area, we gonna add buys. We gonna go long on our positions for 3370, the previous high. And if the market penetrates 3290, then we gonna short the market for 3260. And we have a previous low at this level over here, 3196. This is the game plan, and market is volatile, market is ruthless because of the trade war. You need to be very cautious while playing this market, and you need to watch the price action at 3290. The next week, if the market hold above this level, we're gonna buy this market for 3370. We got a strong bullish close. You can see this candle over here. See this candle? This is a strong bullish close, and if the market manages to hold above 3290 area, we're gonna buy this market for 3370. So let's see how the next week unfolds, what trading opportunities we get. Simply speaking, we are keeping an eye on 3290 area for the next week, and we'll see that how the price action over here it works. So let's see what trading opportunities we get in the next week and how we're gonna capitalize on our profits. 3290 is the key. So let the game roll on, and we'll watch 3290 for the coming week. Okay, stay managed and disciplined, and good luck with your trades. Bye.